Put it in the coffee grinder a little bit. Yeah. Way better. Tried some in my hand. Doesn't burn. There's no residue left over.